see here in this problem, here a circuit shown here. Find the RAB resistance. So here 3 5 ohm resistance are connected in randomly. So observe here. So when you observe these 5 ohm resistor, one terminal is connected to A node and another terminal is connected to B node. So similarly, if you observe this resistor, one terminal is connected to B node and another terminal connected to A node. So like that, this is also connected to one terminal to A node, another terminal connected to B node. So by redrawing the circuit, we will get all the resistors. So this is the node A and this is the node B. So first resistor connected to between A and B. So similarly, all resistors are connected between A and B. So when you observe that, so these three resistors are in parallel to each other. Okay. Now we can get the parallel resistance done by RAB equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, that's equal to 3 by 5. So RAB is equal to 5 by 3. So this is value equal to 1 by RAB. So from this we get RAB is equal to 5 by 3. So from the options, option B is the correct option.